Basic and Applied Soil Mechanics is authored by eminent authors Professor Gopal Ranjan and Professor ASR Rao and is published by one of the leading publishers, New Age International Publishers. This latest color edition of the book is intended for the undergraduate and postgraduate students of civil engineering. The book is recommended by various IITs, NITs and other top engineering colleges. It is a useful book for aspiring engineering students who wish to appear for competitive examinations like GATE, UPSC among others. This is one of the best-selling books on soil mechanics. Professor Gopal Ranjan nurtured its students at IIT Roorkee for 3 decades and was Vice-Chancellor during 1996 to 1999. An outstanding author of his field, Professor Ranjan has also authored many books for engineering students. Professor ASR Rao was the faculty in the Civil Engineering Department at IIT Roorkee. Professor Rao was the member of National Executive Committee of Indian Geothermal Society and is an active consultant in geotechnical engineering. Buy this latest edition for your golden future.